Hey, what's up guys? 5 Mike here, and today we're going to learn how to solve multi-step equations. Now, usually I would do a tech or a gaming video, but today I'm going to do something different for a school project, so if you're into math, stick around. If not, you can click off the video. But yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so how are you supposed to solve multi-step equations without even knowing what they are? So multi-step equations are equations that use more than one operation to solve a problem. So something like an example, also sneak peek into the later part of the video. What about 5 plus 14x equals 9x minus 5? That is considered multi-step because you have to subtract, add, and then divide, or vice versa, depending on the problem. And that is how you solve multi-step equations. And it all comes into play at any kind of multi-step equation problem. So there could be more than one. That's basically what multi-step equation is. So I guess with that, we're going to move on to the 4 problems. We are going to learn, like 4 examples we're going to show you to help you better understand multi-step equations. So yeah, let's get into the first question. Okay, so the first problem we have here is 3, and then x minus 5 minus 4 equals 17. Now, with multi-step equations, obviously you have multiple steps to solve them. So the first step we would do here is we would distribute using the distributive property. We would distribute the 3 to the x and negative 5. So we have to distribute 3 to the x, which would be 3x. Then we would have to distribute the 3 to the negative 5, and that would be negative 15. And then on top of that, we have a negative 4, and that does not get distributed. Okay, so now we have distributed everything, we are left with 3x minus 19 equals 17. So what we want to do, minus the 19 from our first part of the equation, which is 3x minus 15 minus 4, and you are left with 36 and 3x. So then after that, you have to divide both sides by 3, and then if you do that, x will be equal to 12. Now, that's how to solve one multi-step equation. So we're going to do a couple examples just to get you a feel of how to do certain multi-step equations. And yeah, let's get to the next question. Okay, so our next question, 10 plus 10x equals 120. So how do we solve this one? So this is quite a simple one. So the first thing what we do is we would subtract 10 from both sides. So that would make it 10x equals 110. So now what we're supposed to do is divide each side by 10. And that will equal us x equals 11. Let's move on to the third question. Okay, so for our next problem, we have 3x plus 4 equals 2x minus 7. Now, first thing we're going to do is subtract 2x from both sides. That is going to leave us with 1x plus 4 equals negative 7. We're going to subtract 4 from each side, and that is going to be 1x equals 11, and we still have to divide. So we have to divide both sides by 1, and 1 divided by 11 is 11, so the answer is 11. Now on to the last problem. Okay, so our last problem, 5 plus 14x equals 9x minus 5. Now, in order to solve this problem, the first thing we want to do is subtract 9 by both sides, 9x by both sides, and that's going to give us 5 plus 5x equals negative 5. Then next thing we're going to do is we're going to subtract 5 by both sides. This is going to lead us with 5x minus 10, and then we're going to divide that by both sides. So 5 by both sides. Then x will be equal to negative 2. And that is our answer for the fourth problem. Alrighty guys, so after those 4 problems, we have examples now of how to solve multi-step equations. I really hope you guys got to know a little bit about how to solve multi-step equations. And I guess a disclaimer, so I'm doing this just for a school project, so don't expect me to all of a sudden become a math YouTuber or something. So there's going to be um, tech and gaming YouTube videos along the line. I'm a little bit busy now, so probably not going to post many videos, but hopefully I'm going to drop a iPhone 11 Pro Max video in maybe hopefully a couple days. But other than that, that's it, at least as the time of recording this video. So if you guys enjoy this video, maybe you learned something, maybe you didn't, drop a like and please subscribe. And that's it. Yeah, have a good day, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.